Get it, Holly.
Look at all the bubbles.
I am scared. I don't know what the hell this is.
Get it.
Might be a snapping turtle.
Oh.
No,
We may know.
it's not. It would have snapped it already.
Oh my
It's trying to go that way now. I think it's.
I have to wear them out. That's all you can do.
I see where he's at.
Yeah.
He's over there.
28-pound catfish. What is it?
I got this on video.
It's the something, a monster.
Loch Ness.
Yes.
Kinnelong.
Kinnelon Loch Ness.
Now it's going over there again. All I can do is swim tired and then do my best to bring him in.
How much test weight is that?
Oh, probably 8, which means you could probably have something that's about 12 on safely. But a lot of it depends on
There
the
goes
work
Bill's
of the
flight.
fish. Look at all the bubbles.
I know.
Yes.
Oh my God, what is this?
Come on, show your face.
We want to see you, little mofo.
The hands are getting numb.
Oh, he's over there again.
I really wish I had the net now.
Oh!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Catfish!
Oh my God. Woo! Oh my
How the hell
God.
am I gonna get this thing out of there?
Oh my God.
Kill myself. I want to get a picture of
Oh
him.
my God.
It's as big as one Stu's got.
Oh my
I've
God.
got my hat you can use kind of.
Yeah.
That's an idea.
Get it off. Go get it. Hey, pretty guy.
Holy Toledo, you're a big one. Oh, you're sorry you took that bait. Holy shit, look at his head.
Okay, you hold this.
Yeah, I got it.
You want me to hold your feet?
Don't wind up
good
falling
idea.
in, Holly.
Hold them.
Anyway. Oh my God. Oh my. Did he leave?
Yes.
He got loose?
No way. Crap. Did we get a good picture of him?
I got the video.
I don't know.